All right, guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for the new subscribers. We are up to 19 subscribers as of making this video, so thank you guys so much. If you are new to the channel, let me know down there in the comment section where you came from. Are you from my other YouTube channels or did you randomly find me here? I'd really appreciate that. I'm excited to start this new journey about Tesla because I have just reinvested into it over the last couple of days after taking profits when the market was crazily euphoric, right? But now I'm seeing some excitement and I really feel like the price is getting way closer to where I want it to be to start investing a little bit more heavily. So let's jump into the news today and find out exactly what's going on. So Tesla right now at $119.77, up almost 6% in the last day. Of course, the market is closed right now, but this is a lovely move. If you compare that to other companies like Apple, we can see Apple was only up 0.5%, Microsoft only up just under 1%. So Tesla doing very well. The overall market looking pretty nice overall. You can see EV chargers up on average 7%. And we can see that overall the market, the NASDAQ was up just over 0.5%, but the S&P 500 actually closed the day down just a fraction of a percent there. So Tesla definitely outperforming the market here. And if we do check out the charts over here, we can see very clearly that we did see some regions of resistance here. I'm putting this resistance up here at around 126 because that's what's played in very clearly black here as support, 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 and then resistance here. So this is a very strong level of resistance that we're going to need to break through. And even if we check right here, we can see that we actually came down and tested these levels. You can see we broke through it, we broke down here, support where we are here at 112, and then we broke through, retested, and then we went on to create this triangle that actually broke out in the future there. But you can see we actually came down and retested right there exactly where we are now. So this is a pretty important level for us to hold. Hopefully we can actually break towards this 127 mark, but I did talk about this in yesterday's video. I would love to see Tesla come down and retest this $91 or even this $63 region. That would put it down there at the same PE ratios as something like Microsoft or Apple. Now, of course, you could argue that Tesla is more of a car company, so it should be at something like Ford, which is about a 5 PE, but I don't think that, and that's why I think that Tesla's price is actually looking quite good right now. And we do actually have some analysts rating this as a buy right now. So DZ Bank AG sticks to its buy rating for Tesla. And if we scroll down here, the current analyst consensus on Tesla is a moderate buy with an average price target of $250. So that's more than 100% upside from the current levels. And on January 6th, Piper Sandler also maintained a buy rating on the stock with a $340 price target. For me, getting a 3x in the next couple of years sounds absolutely great to me. So this seems like an opportunity that we have on our hands. Now, based on Tesla's earnings released for the quarter ending September 30th, the company reported a quarter revenue of $21 billion, a net profit of $3.29 billion. Compared to last year's, the company earned a revenue of $13 billion and a net profit of $162. So absolutely huge increases, around 100% increase in profit from last year's same quarter. So people are really beating this company down recently, and I do genuinely believe that it was overpriced because of the hype. Now, of course, it coming down to the levels that it's at right now is getting nearer to where, in my opinion, it should be, and a great opportunity for dollar cost averaging. Now, one of the things that brought the company down was based on recent corporate insider activity. Corporate insider sentiment is negative on the stock because a lot of insiders have been selling their stock recently, including, of course, Elon. But recently, last month, Kirkhorn Zachary, the CFO of Tesla, actually bought 13,500 shares for about $250,000. So some of the insiders are now buying again after all of that selling. Now, we do have some news recently that Tesla owners in China protest price cuts as delivery times extend on higher demand. So, of course, there's more demand because Tesla has recently decreased the price of the cars, which is fine. Of course, they're going to be doing that. Now, I think this is absolutely ridiculous for Tesla owners to be protesting these price cuts and demanding things because this just is a ridiculous mentality to have. This is something that we have to deal with in life. So this is ridiculous, but some Tesla owners are not happy. We've seen the same thing here. I recently saw that Tesla's prices went down, but if I had bought a Tesla brand new, I wouldn't have cared. I normally buy all of my cars secondhand, so you don't really have these sorts of worries with price cuts because you already get a discount. You know, if you buy a secondhand car that only only has a few thousand miles on the clock and it's in perfect condition, you got nothing to worry about because you already got yourself a discount. That's what I always do. But hey, some people like the smell of new cars. Anyway, we are seeing EV stocks come back recently, and of course, Tesla leading the way. NIO and Li Auto all doing very well here, but XPEV actually going down almost 1%, but Tesla very much leading the way here. And like we saw over on Moomoo, we can see that EV charger stocks are actually going up. And we have had some other good news out of China. China actually projects a 25% in price of lithium to come, which will bring down the price in turn for all of these EV manufacturers, including Tesla, and hopefully this will help Tesla meet the demands of all of the customers. So with that said, Tesla is looking pretty nice today. Hopefully when the market opens, we can see some more good moves for Tesla coming forward. Although a little part of me, I don't know if you guys feel the same, but a little part of me would love to see some more blood in the market. I do think that we might have a little relief rally here, but I don't think the pain is over. Simply dollar cost averaging through this time is what I'm going to continue to do. I probably won't be buying much more if we do start to head up very quickly. I'll just sit on my hands and wait to see what happens. I would expect us to have more blood and more buying opportunities coming in 2023, but we're going to have to wait to see. Hopefully you like these sorts of updates. Smash the like button, leave me a comment down there in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.